Hello. Now what you're looking at is a broken clutch sensor switch for a Renault Grand Scenic III. And now what you're looking at is a brand new clutch sensor pedal switch thing. This is what I had in the previous Renault Megane video. There's a slider somewhere there that you could slide down to reset your handbrake. It was in the, that was up and that was down, but as you can see, let's turn that back around. This new one has actually got a part that attaches to the pin on the clutch pedal arm. So this is what I'm going to be putting into the car. It's just going to be a case of plug it in, push the clip in, push that onto the clutch pedal pin, clip it in, bish bosh bash, it's all good. The next thing you're going to see will be up underneath the dashboard of my car. That can go because that's no good. Next thing you'll see underneath the dashboard. So here we are. Got the clutch pedal, brake pedal. It's very dark, it's very cramped, and so this is going to clip onto this plug there, but I'm going to need two hands to do it. So here it is in its mounted position. It's a really fiddly little job. It's not a hard job, it's not a heavy job, it's just a fiddly, pernickety little job. Basically what you've got, I don't know if how much you'll be able to see, you've got a little hook on the bottom of the switch which clips into the pedal arm thing at the top, and then there's a little plug, it's a little stopper bit that just plugs in, just clips in. So you hook it in, push it in, and it's clipped in, it's done. It's just a fiddly, awkward little job because you've got the seat frame digging you in the ribs one side. You've got the door, the sill digging you in the stomach and the ribs, and you're trying to fiddle it. It's not a hard job, not a heavy job, but that's how it's going to look. What we've got is, well, we've got that spanner. Let's just pull my seat forwards. Ignition's on. Depress the clutch, and hey presto, let's start her up. There we go. Now my handbrake is going to, let's shut the door. My handbrake is going to self-release. There we go. And I've still got the spanner light on. I wonder why that is. Let's just let the clutch up. I've still got the spanner light, but the handbrake does auto release now. Right, so I'll have to try and work that little problem out then and see why I've still got the spanner light. I wonder if I turn it off. Turn my headlights off, I don't need them. I've took the key out. I've still got this spanner. What's going on there? Turn the ignition on. Parking brake on. Checking the function controls. Clutch. Start. And it auto releases. So I wonder what that problem is there then. Okay. I shouldn't have a spanner light on, but there you go.